Welcome to our channel. Today we dive into the fascinating world of computational complexity. Computational complexity is a branch of computer science that focuses on classifying computational problems according to their inherent difficulty and relating these classes to each other. Let's break it down. At the core of computational complexity is the concept of an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure that solves a problem or performs a task. However, not all algorithms are created equal. They differ in efficiency. To measure an algorithm's efficiency, we use Big O notation. It describes how the runtime or space requirements of an algorithm grow as the input size increases. For example, an algorithm with O(n) complexity scales linearly, while one with O(n)(2) scales quadratically. One of the most intriguing questions in computational complexity is the P versus NP problem. P represents problems that can be solved quickly or in polynomial time given a deterministic algorithm. On the other hand, NP includes problems for which we can verify a given solution quickly. The million-dollar question is P equal to NP? In other words, can every problem whose solution can be quickly verified also be quickly solved? Within NP, we have NP-complete problems, which are the hardest problems in NP. If we can solve one NP-complete problem in polynomial time, we can solve all NP problems in polynomial time. Examples include the traveling salesman problem and the knapsack problem. Computational complexity also utilizes abstract computational models, like Turing machines, to explore what can be computed in principle, beyond what current technology can do. In summary, understanding computational complexity helps us differentiate between what is practically solvable within a reasonable time frame and what is not, shaping the way we approach problem solving in computer science.